What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are on the road in the cruiser. We're doing a big old road trip across the country. We're putting her through the ringer right after we get her. Him, I guess.
Him.
Clayton.
Priscilla was female.
So yeah, we're just stopped on the side of the road real quick to make some sandwiches, and we're gonna head down to Lake Shasta this evening, try and find a nice little campsite over there. So let's do it. Ooh, that's a fancy lunch.
Is it? Meat and cheese? I guess.
I really like having this setup though. So much easier for just pulling off and making a quick meal instead of having to set a bunch of stuff up. It's gonna make our road trip life much
that way
better.
We also don't have to eat fast food all the time. Look at that line. There's no line here.
No McDonald's for us. You know, I'm from Louisiana, and one of the Louisiana staples at the gas station is crispy crunchy chicken. Now, if you've never had crispy crunchy chicken, you're truly missing out.
Truly.
It is. You know, I don't know if it's good in Oregon. I mean, it's fine. I've had it in Oregon before. It's fine. But if you're ever in Louisiana and you find yourself at a gas station, you gotta grab some crispy crunchy chicken. But I guess the Oregon gas station will do as well. This is my favorite stretch of highway between Oregon and California because it's just this huge valley and there's like no trees out here. You can see Shasta, at least most of the time you can see Shasta. And then we've got our little anthill mountain over there, our little friend. I don't even know what it's called, but we call it the anthill.
Call it the anthill, there it is. There's our beautiful Mount Shasta. So we have found our campground for the night. We are here at Lake Shasta. It's pretty pleasant out at the moment. It's about, I would say, 60 degrees. It was pouring when we were driving up here and we were a little worried that we would get caught in the rain. I have a very excited friend right here who is happy to be out of the car after 5 or 6 hours. So it isn't a bad spot. Here's our driver who got us here safe and sound.
What?
Come here! Come here! Really? Not so? I think one's a baby.
Well, it is about 7:45 here. We've been driving since about noon, I guess, 11:30. It's kind of surprising how much driving all day takes it out of you. But we've missed you, California. It's so nice to be back, even though it's only been a year since we've been here. Oh, our dear friends have left us. Our dear friends have left us.
D-E-E-R.
But this is kind of a sweet little campsite. It looks like it's a semi-established site, but it's like dispersed because it says that it's a 14-day limit on the sign over there. Yeah, you know, good finds on Overlander again. Nice.
Good answer.
The lake is so low.
That just leaped up.
Kind of crazy. I got the platform set up in the back here. We're still using the same little things that I made for the Prius. I don't really like it. It takes a little bit of time to set up, so I need to figure out another solution here. I sort of want to leave the back seats in, but I don't know. I'm considering maybe taking them out because then we can make the drawers a little tiny bit shorter, have a little bit more headroom, but I don't know.
Cooper,
Let me know if you have any ideas.
Yeah.
The weather is certainly not the greatest. It is.
I think it's fantastic.
It's fine. It's a little windy. We got some rain in the forecast.
Very, very mild.
But we're probably gonna have some dinner, make a little fire, have a beer, and then get to bed because we are probably gonna do a pretty long haul in the morning. There is sort of a storm that we're gonna be kind of running away from here this whole trip. So most of this trip is not going to be super exciting because we're basically just trying to get to Florida as fast as we can. The way home, though, is going to be a lot of fun. So, yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stick around and hang out for the travels of Winston and Kim.
Why do you sound like Kermit the Frog?
Do you want to tell us what's going on here?
I'm just working on my standing rock. Because we're on a slope, so the table's a little too high. So I can't really reach it that well, so it's just my standing rock.
Okay. I like it. That's about an extra 4 inches.
Yeah, it really helps.
I like it.
Makes this much more available too. Okay. We are making just a mixed rice bowl. I'm gonna put in some beets and mushrooms and peppers and tomatoes and use our leftover crispy crunchy and use a little dressing on it. Call it a day. Pretty easy. I make them all the time. Rice bowls are nice because you can kind of throw anything in there besides pizza, maybe ramen. I don't know. That'd be good. Be its own thing.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Pizza bowl?
Pizza rice bowl.
I like it.
That's olive oil. This is what you call Kim's hodgepodge rice bowl.
Cheers. If you ever find yourself making a rice bowl with leftover crispy crunchy chicken, it's really good. We were going to do a fire, but we were sitting here. It's really comfortable out here. We don't really need one. And I think we might just save the wood for maybe when we're in Arizona or Texas. So.
Yeah, I think we also might do a really long drive tomorrow, so don't really feel like setting up the fire, putting it out and all that. So.
It's about 10 o'clock here. We're going to eat, get packed up, and get to bed. Because we're pretty tired. We haven't done a drive that long in a very long time. Mm-hmm. Still takes it out of you, you know? I don't know how to explain it, but driving all day, it's not like a exhausted kind of tired. It's just like a, I don't know, just feels meh.
Just lethargic.
Yeah.
It's a strange and lovely world. It don't make no sense to me. There are a few things I am sure of. Ain't nobody got it easy. Ain't nobody got it easy.
Keeps it compact. So it's like, and it.
Standing on the edge of a confession, waiting for the sorrow.
Well, we're all packed up after a terrible little rainy pack up. It started pouring on us pretty hard.
Yeah,
but
it's literally pouring.
yeah, we got to get out of here. So let's do it.
In that truck, we'll try to get back over. Just calm down.
All right, so basically the weather is going to be on us the entire trip. So what we have resolved to do is drive as far as we can today. We're going to take I-5 south all the way and hopefully make it to Arizona tonight. We'll see if we can do it. We're on the road. We got on the road at about 10 o'clock, so I'm thinking we could probably get like 12 hours in, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I'm trying to do more than that, but we'll see.
Yeah, so we got a couple of spots that I found that will be kind of emergency spots if we're just super tired, but we're going to grab some quick food because we didn't have time before it started raining on us and pouring on us. And then we're going to hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. No more. Okay, bye. One man's trash is another man's treasure. One man's pain is another man's pleasure. Which one should we try? We are here at about 8 o'clock. We are actually going to camp in the Mojave Desert tonight, which is pretty sweet. We have been driving in rain all day. It's been pretty terrible, but we're about to drive right out of it, and I think it's still going to be cloudy, but at least we won't be in the rain. So we should probably get to our campsite around 11 tonight, so we will see you when we get there. May exist. I like that.
That would be lovely.
Well, as you can hear, it is very freaking windy out here.
Mm-hmm.
And it is 12:42 a.m.
And we are eating dinner.
And we're having dinner.
We're having...
If it doesn't blow away.
Probably can't hear me, but we are having arugula salad with like lemon tahini dressing and truffle oil, corn chowder and some bread. Quick dinner, very quick.
Looks very tasty.
It will be because we're starving.
I am so hungry. Join us next week as we wake up in the Mojave Desert with a little bit of rain. And then we head towards Arizona and we find out we have a mysterious oil leak.